I'm Simon Arthur. I'm the Director of Sheet Cutting Manufacturing at Xometry. And today I'm going to show you a tool stand I made using Xometry sheet cutting. This tool stand helped me organize my shop. And if you want to make your workshop, office, or studio a little bit more organized, whether you're implementing a full Kaizen 5S implementation or you just want to make your tools a little easier to find and get rid of some of the clutter, this project will show you how to do that. Let me show you a prototype I made using a kitchen organizer that I bought online. This was available quite inexpensively online, and it consists of a engineered bamboo shelf and a metal stand or base. And into that shelf, what I've done is I've drilled holes to hold all of my tools here. This worked out pretty well for me for a while. Of course, I always want to expand this, be able to hold more tools, and of course I want it to look nicer too. So I'm going to show you how I did that using Xometry sheet cutting. Let's take a look at the beginning of the process using Fusion 360. I started with a simple 2D sketch to create the basic design for the side pieces for this tool stand. You'll notice that I added a 10-degree angle to the top edge. That's to accommodate easier tool access, as we'll see later on. I also rounded the corners to avoid those pesky snags and mishaps. Then I extruded that sketch for that perfect 1/8 inch thickness, which we'll need to make this part out of aluminum 6061 sheet. I mentioned before I'd be using Xometry sheet cutting to make these parts. Now imagine a computer guiding a laser or water jet to shape the parts by cutting all the way through a sheet or bar of flat material. It's fast, it's cost efficient, and it's very simple to design for. On to some of the stand details. I'm using tab and slot design for the structure, and I'm placing extra cuts on the inside corners of the tabs to make sure that we have the corners cleared when the water jet or laser cuts through the material. It also has T-slots for securing the whole structure together with number 10 screws, and also holes on the shelves customized for each of my tools. Keep in mind that the top and bottom plates are not the same. They're offset so that the tools rest at an angle. For a personalized touch, let's cut the Xometry logo on the side. That really makes it mine. Well, we've designed all the pieces to be made out of the same material and same thickness. So to make it easy to order on Xometry's website, I'm putting all of the parts into one single drawing file. Well, now that I have all the designs ready, Xometry's site does its magic. I drag the drawing, drop it, and get an instant quote. I choose my material, the thickness, and of course a snazzy blue powder coat finish. Ordered and boom, delivered in just 5 business days. Unboxing time. Neatly packed, and oh, Christmas has come early this year. Crisp, professional looking parts, and that blue, perfection. Assembly was mostly a breeze, although for next time, note that powder coat does add a bit of thickness to the standard thickness of the sheet, and I also need to compensate for the dimensional tolerances provided by sheet cutting. I secured everything together with number 10 screws and voila, gloriously organized tools in a stand that's not just functional but also a style statement. If you've got thoughts or improvements, please drop them below. I'm all ears. Until next time, this is Simon Arthur for Xometry Sheet Cutting, reminding you to stay organized and stay stylish.